Layers out there still got some bitter cold weather here across 5 country. Cold air mass slowly shifting off towards the east. Really starting to see the warmer air start to move in today. We're starting to see that change. Even though the air mass has slowly been modifying the last few days, not been quite as cold. We've been seeing temperatures trend in the right direction. Again, we're looking at temperatures this morning, single digits, low teens. Again, I think if you're just joining us, having some issues with our sensors in Boonville and Clarksville. I think we're mostly above zero. You factor in the wind chill out there, and it does feel below zero in spots, -8 in South. So I think the wind chill is going to improve today into the teens to low 20s. Certainly still going to feel cold, though, because we do have that south wind picking up about 10 to 20 miles per hour. I think we have some gusts up to 25 miles per hour, and that will, again, of course, make it feel a lot colder outside. All right, we're going to be seeing temperatures as we go across northwest Arkansas and into the River Valley, getting into those 30s. That's the key number for us. We've spent a lot of hours, over 100 hours below freezing. And again, some areas, northwest Arkansas, started out the morning early Friday morning last week above freezing and then dipped below freezing. Haven't been back since. Everybody was below freezing by the time we got into Saturday morning. And since then, we have not looked back. But we're looking for some of that warmer weather to come out. You're going to get sunshine. I think we're going to get a lot of low to mid 30s across the area, with some areas trying to top out in those upper 30s, making a run for maybe 40 degrees in our warmest spots. But getting it even to around freezing at worst will do a lot for us in melting some of that snow, plus all that sunshine coming in. Scattered clouds come in overnight, temperatures into the 20s. All right, so we're tracking our next storm system coming in from the west. Big question here over the last 24 hours that the weather team's been breaking down is, are we going to see that lift move in and that moisture that's returning from the Gulf of Mexico? It's on its way, but are they going to get here at the right time? Initially, when we were looking at this storm and started breaking it apart a couple days ago, it looked like we could see that moisture coming in a little faster and we could get a chance for a winter mix. What I'm going to show you here is that the trends have been that this moisture is still a little bit too far to the south, and it's likely not going to get here in time. Areas from Little Rock to Memphis have a better chance as we go into tomorrow morning to see a light wintry mix, maybe more of a potential ice storm setting up as you get closer to Memphis. For us, tomorrow, maybe some patchy freezing drizzle, mist. Can't roll that out. Maybe a few sleet pellets, mainly east of Fort Smith. Could see a flurry maybe in far northwest Arkansas early Thursday morning, not looking like an issue. Outside of that, we should see some sunshine try to mix in tomorrow afternoon, a little mix of some sun and clouds. And then we're getting a cold front to come in. We're going to get colder air to come in, especially you'll notice that by Friday. As we go into Thursday night, Friday morning, could be on the tail end of some light snow coming out of Missouri. Maybe a few flurries there. No big storm system heading our way in the next couple of days. Now, as we get into next week, we're going to see multiple rounds of some rainfall moving in as that rain initially starts Monday morning. Temperatures right around freezing, 29, 30, 31 degrees. Could be cold enough that we start out with a little freezing rain, and then temperatures will be warming as they should as we go through the day, transitioning to a rain. But again, we still got some cold weather there, 20s on Friday and Saturday.
That's cold. I wonder, at the top of the show, you mentioned your posture. Has that been on your mind throughout